Don't miss this 2009 BMW 3 Series. It's equipped with automatic transmission and features a crimson red exterior. With 24,563 miles, you'll want to take this car home. Make a great choice today. Contact us and see this car firsthand.